Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is my first FabFitFun unboxing of 2020. This is the spring box. I think this is maybe my 7th box I've gotten, so I've been doing this for a while. I will have all of my past unboxings down below in the description box, but the way I like to do this video, I pay $180 for a yearly subscription to FabFitFun. 4 seasonal boxes broken down, that is $45 per box. I will be separating these products into 2 categories as I open the box. One being the items that I would have paid my own money for, and the second being the items that I wouldn't have, to see if it beats the $45 price tag. I will also show my add-ons at the end. As the name suggests, those are things that you can choose to add to your box. Not just beauty products, there's lifestyle too, and they are at a deep discount. I do always find value in FabFitFun. I usually say really positive things about it, but I do have a couple points to make with their customization that kind of annoyed me, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. If you enjoy FabFitFun, you're just curious, or you enjoy this video in general, do go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get into it. I remembered my scissors this time, so just while I'm opening this up, I do have to mention too, sometimes I change my thoughts regarding products after a while. Last time we got the blanket and I was like, okay, I don't really need this. It's overpriced even though it's soft, but it ended up becoming my dog's favorite blanket and she loves to snuggle with it, so I'm really glad we got it. This box is so pretty. I love the butterflies and just the colors they used. I feel like I could really get some inspiration from this for an eyeshadow look. The first thing on top of every box is a magazine, and I'll be using this to go through and tell you guys about the customization and the options. You also usually get some coupons, always one for HelloFresh, and then this one is for Bite. Gina Rodriguez is on the cover of this one. I had to look her up because I wasn't familiar. I've never watched Jane the Virgin, but I feel like that's what she's probably most known for. I do really actually enjoy reading this magazine. They give you a lot of information about how to use the products that you received as well, and I always find it to be pretty informative. Plus, it helps me film this video. So I'm gonna start just at the top here, and we'll go through the first customization. Speaking of customization and my annoyance, because I almost forgot, and this is a slight annoyance, I still really like FabFitFun and I will continue to be subscribed to them. But I saw in an email that you could choose to add throwbacks to your box. Those were old items. That's how I'm choosing to see them, not as throwbacks or retro or whatever they want to call it. But the first couple items that you could choose were all new. And then like the 3rd, 4th, or 5th one, however many were in that category, those were products that were in previous boxes. Some of them I didn't even recognize, so I was wondering how long they've been sitting around. And then some of them were very recently in boxes, and I don't know, I just thought it was kind of redundant. Maybe you would be excited if there was an item you really wanted and it went out of stock, because that does happen. But personally, I would rather just see all new items, and I hope they don't do it in the next one. To me, it just screams our warehouse is full and we're trying to get rid of product, and I get wanting to sell it, put it on the add-on section, but I don't want to see it as an option in my box. That's just my personal preference. So getting into the first one, the way this is set up is it shows the items that all members could choose from, all the customizations that everybody could make. And then in the yellow, we have the items only select members could customize. Select members just means that you have a yearly subscription. And then in the green on the back, those are the items that FabFitFun chose for you. I don't know how customizable that is because I've never filled out like a profile or anything, at least not that I remember. But for the first choice that all members could make, there was the Revive Light Therapy Low Wrinkle and Anti-Aging Light Device. I just think that was probably a gimmick. I don't know. If you got that, I'd be curious to know your thoughts on it, but I didn't think I needed that. Also, the Donny Ribbed Sweater Coat, not something I needed. You had the Caravan Diamond Woven Rug, which I'm going to show in a minute. You also had the Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote, which I feel like I've seen in the add-on section before. They also had the West Elm Indigo Tie-Dye Bowls, which I just used last night, so that was one of the throwback items. And then the Elemis Peptide 4 Night Recovery Cream Oil, also a throwback item. The item that I went with, this is from Caravan. It is a diamond woven rug. It says it retails for $48. I didn't really need a new rug, but I figured the ones that we have in our bathroom, also in our laundry room, have been there for some time since we moved in, so only a matter of time before one of them falls apart in the washing machine. So I went with this. It's pretty big, bigger than it looked in the photo they had. Like I said, I didn't need one, and I don't think I would have paid $48 for this one. So it's going to go into the other pile, even though I know I'm definitely going to get use out of this, and I think it's pretty cute. And then for selection number 2, also for all members, you could choose between the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. I don't really need a lot of skincare right now. I have plenty. I do have one Murad product that I'm currently testing. It's the Night Fix Enzyme Treatment or something. I haven't opened it yet, but I put it in my bathroom to try out. So maybe I'll regret not getting that one. But the other items you could choose from were the Shoshana umbrella. I already got an umbrella through FabFitFun. Also the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Drink of Hydration Boost Moisturizer. As I mentioned, I really don't need any skincare, especially moisturizers. I have too many right now. And then for the throwback items, there was the Tarte Tarteist Pro Low Highlight and Contour Palette. I already got this. I think that was in my first FabFitFun box. And then also the 111, the Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Didn't think I really needed that. So the thing that I chose, these are the Cow Pack set of 3 packing cubes. It says in sorbet or tutti frutti. I think I got sorbet. I have been wanting packing cubes. I've never owned them, and I am about to travel. I'm going to Miami at the end of the month, and I will definitely be using them. I was actually really happy to see these in there. I've never seen packing cubes in a FabFitFun since I've had the subscription. That's the largest one. Very pretty colors. I love the yellow and like the peachy kind of color. They have the mesh so you can see everything that goes inside, and then also a little place, I'm assuming, to put your information. I wouldn't have thought to get these if I was in a store, but I am excited for them, and I did need some. So these are going to go into the pile of the products I would have paid my own money for. And these were $40. So all we need to do is find something that's $5 or more, and we will beat the price of the box. The next one is the last selection that all members could choose, and then we get into the select members customization. So for these, we have 4 different things. We have actually 5. We have the Amber Skeets double coin necklace. Didn't think I needed that. The Way 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection. I was really interested in that one at first, but I tried to find their cruelty-free information and couldn't find it, so I just skipped them altogether. The Cosmetics Pure C, which is some kind of vitamin C, I'm assuming. It says vitamin C mixing crystals. Didn't need that. I have a couple vitamin C products already open. The Green Goo Hibiscus plant-based body scrub. I have way too many scrubs opened as well. You guys can kind of sense a theme here. So the thing I chose was the Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask. $39.99 is what this retails for, and this is heavy. It really is weighted. I have a sleep mask, and it is from Silk. I tried to use it for a little while, but it always fell off my head. There's nothing to adjust it, and I have a pretty small head, so it never actually stayed on. This one is adjustable, and I do appreciate that. I question how comfortable this is going to be while sleeping. I do not sleep on my back. I sleep on my side mostly, usually with one leg up, and I feel like this is going to kind of slide, so I'm going to have to test it out and see. I'm not going to put it on now because I do have makeup on. Maybe at the very end. I will put it here and insert a picture of me wearing it. I forgot to say too, this is going to go into the other pile. This is not something I would have paid my own money for. I already have a sleep mask that I don't use, but we'll see if the weighted part of it helps. I would love to see a weighted blanket come into this box because those I really want to try, but they're so expensive. And the 4th section for customization, which I already grabbed. This one is for select members. The first item was the Aria Beauty Luxe Detangling Electroplated Brush. Also the Jabonera Marianella Imperial Jade Body Oil. I already own that. I purchased that through the add-on section a while ago. The Veda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. I have used that for many, many years as I used to work for Aveda, and I still have a couple back here. And then the last thing was the Stone Cold Fox Tea Towels, which retail for $38. I'm not going to open these because I probably won't use them. We could always use more towels, but I do wish we could have customized these in some way, maybe a different color or a different pattern. I'm not a big fan of blue personally, but I have a ton of tea towels. I don't think I need more. I will probably put this into a pile, my little storage area, for maybe future housewarming gifts or something like that. Section number 5, we had the AG Hair Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner. I've never tried a product from AG, and at Ulta, I'm always looking at them, but I haven't actually heard too much about them. If you have tried them or if you've tried out this product, let me know your thoughts on it. We also had the Smith French Dublin Aromatic Hand Wash Fresh Green Leaves. That was was a mouthful. Didn't think I needed that. Love Script Body Wash, Speakwa Cruiser Bluetooth Wireless Speaker. I'm probably saying that wrong. And then the Ciate London Fierce Flicks Precision Tip Liquid Liner. And then the E Paris Dual Salt and Peppermill. I cannot remember what I chose for this. There's a mistake with section number 5. The item that I did get, I don't see anywhere. And I went through the other items that I haven't discussed yet, and they're in section 6, 7, and 8. So I'm assuming that's where this came from. I don't see it anywhere. This is the Skindinavia Makeup Finishing Spray. Maybe it's just a mess up or a misprint in the magazine. This I think is $29, and I do already use this, and I'm about halfway through my other one. So I was really happy to get a second one. That way I don't have to remember to purchase it. It would have been nice to try something new, but I'm not mad to have a backup. So this will be going into the good pile. That was really strange. I've never had that happen before where there was a misprint in the catalog. I want to look through now just to see if there's anything about Skindinavia. I don't see anything. That was really bizarre and really threw me off. But getting into the next choice, 6, 7, and 8 were Fab Fit Fun's pick for you. So you did not get to choose. They chose for you. So for 6, it was between This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon or Wish Beauty Blue Matcha Restoring Mask. I was sent this from This Works. This is the, how many times can I say this? This is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. It says it is a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. I think it's a lotion. Powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter, crambe, Crambe, I don't know what that is, and camelina sativa oils to nourish, support, and preserve skin vitality, and pure essential oils of lavender, vetiver, and chamomile to help improve sleep quality. I'm pretty curious about this product. I don't think I would have purchased it with my own money if I just saw it on a shelf, but I am interested and curious to try it out. It's a lotion. Smells pretty strong. That might not be a bad thing for nighttime though. Like lavender can really just knock you out. The next section, number 7, was between the Chic and Tonic Silicone Straws, the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara, and lastly the Sponge Gel Body Wash Infused Buffer in Black Orchid. I love those and I always do them for the add-on section, but the Black Orchid leaves the most chemically kind of scent on my skin. If you experience that, if you get this box, let me know. I think it's just that fragrance. The rest have all been fine. So the one that they sent me, and I'm glad I didn't get that Black Orchid because I still have 2 of them. I got the silicone straws. It figures I did just get a couple different types of these to carry in my purse. One of them is even on a keychain, and it's a little kit that comes with a brush. This also comes with a brush inside and a little portable keychain kind of thing. But I'll have an extra, that's fine. And then the last section had 3 different things that could have been sent to you. One was the Winky Lux Rainbow Lip Balm, the Perlice Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel, or the Veen Thermal Spring Water. I got this from Perlice. This is the Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. Sounds pretty nice. I'm looking forward to using this. I bet it smells really good. I don't really want to open it, but I kind of want to smell it. It says benefits: watermelon moisturizes skin, lychee helps promote brighter skin, beet is good for damaged skin, and purple carrot nourishes skin and keeps it supple and hydrated. Smooth over cleansed wet skin, let it sit for 2 minutes and then rinse with water and pat dry. It smells really good, like a Jolly Rancher. I'm looking forward to using this one. I can even pair it with my Glow Recipe watermelon lotion. I think they'll work very nicely together. I wouldn't have purchased this if I saw it on a shelf just because I don't really know the brand too much. So it's going to go into the other pile, but I am looking forward to trying it out. So as far as the 2 items I would have paid my own money for, we have the packing cubes and then the Skindinavia, which does retail for $29. I had to look it up real quick. So that plus the cost of the packing cubes is $69, which means it beats the $45 value. I also wrote down here somewhere the value of my total box was $256.99. I just got that off of the FabFitFun website where it has that for me. Let's go ahead and get into the add-ons next. I need to clear some space. These are from Pixi. These are the makeup melting cleansing cloths. If you watched my last video, my ordinary long haul, I just mentioned that I want to do Pixi next, and when I saw these, I had to grab them. These retail for $10 and I paid $5 for them. I don't use makeup cleansing cloths often. I have some that I get from Costco that are Kirkland brand. Those I will use a lot when I'm doing my makeup, either to clean up makeup messes or just like around my eyes and that sort of thing. But as far as actually cleansing my skin with makeup wipes, I mean, they don't really do that. I only do that a couple times during the year, but these I bought to maybe use with my makeup just to say that I tried them out. And then the next thing I also got some hoops. These are from 8 Other Reasons. 3 different hoops. It says $71 is their original price and I paid $14 for these. I also got some socks. This is 3 pairs. We have a leopard print, just like a color block kind of print, and then also polka dots, which I love. These were $30 originally, which is pretty steep for 3 pairs of socks, and I wouldn't have paid that for these, but I paid $12 for them instead. I also got some resistance bands from the brand 11. I had purchased some of these through FabFitFun before, not this brand, a different type, but I didn't find them very comfortable to use. So we'll see about this brand. These were $24 originally and I paid $9 for them. So I thought that was a pretty good price. It says there are 3 cloth resistance bands in here, light, medium, and heavy. I was hoping maybe I could do some home workouts with these. I haven't been great at doing that, so I'm trying to be better, and this is in hopes that I will. And then the last thing I got, and I am so excited for this, I got a pet bed for my dog Lucy. This was $29.99 and I paid $14 for it. They also had another print of some sort, but it didn't matter to me because this one has guacamole and chips on it. I just noticed the little avocados are different pets. They have cats and dogs on them, so that is so cute. I hope she likes it. Either way, I'm going to keep it for decoration because it's so cute. Overall, originally the total of those 5 items was $164.99 and I paid $65 for them. So overall, my savings was $99.99. Not too bad. That's it for my spring box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you get FabFitFun, let me know what you got in your box. If you chose to have different items sent to you than I did, let me know what they were. I think the day you guys see this video, they are starting their edit sale. If I get enough items to do a haul, I'm not going to do it if it's just like 1 or 2 items, but if I get enough things, I will be filming that and putting it up as soon as possible for you guys to see. If you enjoyed this video, please do go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see me and more of my remarks, please go ahead and subscribe. I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you soon.